Now moving to our next question, you have a tree casts a shadow of 4√3 meter on ground. If the sun's elevation is 60 degree here, then you have to find the height of the tree. We suppose that this PQ, it is the height of the tree, and this QR, it is the shadow of this tree on the ground. Now we are given that this shadow QR, it is 4√3 meters and the sun's elevation is 60 degree. Here we are required to find the value of this PQ, means height of this tree. So let PQ be the height of tree and QR, it is equal to 4√3 meter, be the shadow of tree on the ground. Now we will apply here trigonometric ratios. So if you will check here, PQ divided by QR, perpendicular divided by base, we know that it is equal to tan of theta. Here theta is the angle that is equal to 60 degree. So you can write it as PQ divided by QR. Now we will put simply the values of QR here. The value of QR is 4√3 and tan of 60 degree, you know that its values again √3. So implies PQ. Now this 4√3, it is in denominator. When we transfer this to right hand side, it will get multiplied there. So it is √3 into 4 times √3, which is equal to √3 into √3, it is simply 3, because it is the square of √3, square and root will get cancelled. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Or first we will write it is 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Therefore the height of the tree PQ, it is equal to 12 meter. तो यही आपने यहाँ पे फाइंड करना था. होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन.